Hey, hello everyone. This is the first time I'm making a video regarding someone that I knew on YouTube. Felt like he was a brother from my van camping days, and that's Lewis of Rolling EarthShip. I met up with him once in Quartzsite, just briefly, because I told him, hey, I'm a subscriber and always love your videos and so on. And I found out today from watching Blind Views that he tragically passed away on a motorcycle accident, from a motorcycle accident. I don't know all the details. This just happened over the weekend, but it's very sad. He was living his best life. He was a good guy. He loved bread, and he's Portuguese. If you guys didn't know, he was born in Portugal, the mainland, and I'm also Portuguese, and we had a connection there as far as some inside jokes about the Portuguese. You know, he loved making bread, and us Portuguese and bread are, you know, we go hand in hand. So I think he was 50, mid-50s. Again, my condolences to his family. It's very sad when someone just, he made a video like 2 days ago. He has gotten a new motorcycle. He traded in his Harley Lemonson, and he was a good rider from what I've seen. Something must have happened that was out of his control, but I don't know. I don't want to speculate. I'm just very saddened that his life was cut short. I know he had plans to travel. He was working his job so he could save up some money to travel. So it just goes to show that life is fragile. Life can be so short and so unfair. And my heart goes out to his family. And I'm still, you know, I'm still dealing with it. I didn't know him on YouTube, but when you watch a lot of YouTube and you make YouTube videos, you get to know someone's routine, so to speak. He was a patriot. Even though he's born in Portugal, that American flag, he flew it proud, and he flew it everywhere. Everywhere he was camped, he was flying that American flag. So just rest in peace, Lewis. Rest in peace. You know, ride on through the clouds and rest easy, my brother. You will be missed. I know he was just a down-to-earth guy that you know, had a unique sense of humor, but you will be missed. Boa viagem, descanse em paz e que Deus dê tua alma eterno descanso. That's Portuguese for rest in peace, and he was very, very religious, so I'm sure he's in a better place now. All right, see you in the next video.